Okay, good morning everyone. Today we will learn about constructing bisector. In this topic, you will learn how to construct bisector in segment and also in an angle. In this part, you need the equipment. The first thing is a pair of compasses and then ruler, and you may use pen or marker. We learn about how to construct perpendicular bisector of a segment and also angle bisector. Miss Maria will explain what is the difference between line and line segment. Okay, for the line if there is line, but in this line it never ending. It keep going on through this way and also this way. So for this part, we call it this one as line. And then what is line segment? Line segment, in this part, we have start point and also we have ending point. So this one starting point and this one the ending point. So for the line segment, it has end and it has start. So we will start how to make perpendicular bisector of a segment. What will we do is the first thing is construct a 90-degree angle, and then the second thing is locate the midpoint of a segment. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is we need to make a line segment first. Okay, so I will make line segment of 10 centimeter. Okay, there is start and end point, and then after we have this one, we will use the pairs of compasses. Okay, the line that I draw has 10 centimeter. What next step that we need to do is we need to put the compasses at the point, and then we need to make the arch more than half of the segment. So for example, this one is 10 centimeters, so it must be more than half. You can 5.5 centimeter or 6 or another size. Okay, so after this we will make the arch over here and over here. After that, you don't need to change the length of the arch, but we need to move to another point, and then we put it over there, and then we make another arch. After this one, we have intersection arch over here, and then we will make another line that the point is on the intersection of the arch right here. So like this, this line is divide this line, the segment. Let's say the segment is AB. The line segment is AB. This line already divide the line AB into two same line. And then for the angles, this one is 90 degrees angles, or we can call it as perpendicular. That's why we call this one as perpendicular bisector. Why it's bisector? Because it divide into two parts that have the same line. And then for the midpoint, this one is the midpoint of the segment. Now we will learn about angle bisector. In this part, we will construct a line that cuts an angle into two congruent parts. So the first thing that we need to do first is we need to construct an angle. Okay, now I will construct an angle. I will make an acute angle. This is the angle. let's say we call this one as angle A. Okay. To construct a line that cuts an angle into two congruent parts, the first thing that we need to do is we need to make an arc in the angle. The length you can just delete the same things, like when you construct a bisector of perpendicular bisector of a segment, so it can be half or more than half, and then I will make an arc. After this, using the same length, we just move the midpoint over here. We have the intersection, we put it in this intersection, and then we make another arc, and then we move to another midpoint, and then we make the arc. After that, there is intersection over here between the arc, so we make a line start from the angle A into the intersection like this. So this line already cuts angle A into two congruent parts, which for this angle and this angle has congruent, or we have same angles.